Both Monday.com and Smartsheet are leading project management platforms, but they cater to different needs. Monday.com is a visual work OS known for its flexibility and user-friendly drag-and-drop interface. It's ideal for teams prioritizing collaboration and customization, especially in creative and dynamic industries. Recent enhancements include AI-powered dashboards and workflow suggestions. Here's an example of Monday.com's task management interface. Smartsheet, on the other hand, is a spreadsheet-based platform excelling in data-heavy project management. Its strength lies in data analytics and enterprise governance, appealing to organizations in technical or data-intensive sectors, particularly those requiring compliance. Here's an example of Smartsheet's Gantt chart for project timelines. Choosing between them depends on your team's priorities: visual collaboration with Monday.com or data precision with Smartsheet. A key differentiator lies in their approach. Monday.com emphasizes no-code automation, empowering citizen developers, while Smartsheet focuses on data-driven project management with its spreadsheet-like interface. Looking ahead, both platforms are integrating AI for predictive insights and automation. Monday.com is trending toward conversational project management, while Smartsheet aims for smarter forecasting through data AI. The rise of remote and hybrid work has also prompted enhancements in collaboration features, such as virtual whiteboards in Monday.com and improved video conferencing in Smartsheet. The project management software market is expected to reach $10 billion by 2027, with both tools evolving into intelligent work hubs through AI-driven capabilities and niche specializations.